here, and in today's class I'm going to be talking about XAMPP. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install XAMPP and also how to play around with WordPress. XAMPP is a local server that you can use maybe to host your own website at home, or maybe even other companies, big companies are also using XAMPP. It's the main framework for Apache that we use to host our websites. Okay, now I'll go to my folder here. I think I'm having XAMPP somewhere, and I'll show you. This is my XAMPP file. I'll click on it. I think I've got it running already, but I'll show you how you can install it. That's the process. Then you say, oh yes, okay, next. These are the requirements that you need. You need to install your MySQL, your Apache, and PHP Next, you install it in there. You can say true. I'll just say true because I've got it running somewhere, and this will be my next one. Next, these are the WordPress required Joomla and stuff. Don't need this. You install it at a later stage because I'll be showing you also how to install WordPress, but I don't need it now. You can say next. I don't need this. Say next. Should be installing. And what I'll do now, I think I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but it usually take very short time, and I'm gonna hello guys, the installation is complete, and what we can simply do is try to finish it up. It has installed now, and we have to select the English United States, save. There it is. And I don't think I've installed FileZilla. I don't need it because this one is used to upload files when maybe possibly having a website being hosted by company somewhere on internet or something. We use FileZilla and other stuff, but since this is a local thing, that's why I didn't mind about it. And Maker and stuff, I don't need it. I only need MySQL here and Apache, and I'll start it and check if it's running. Apache is running as well. There is times when you see yellows here, and there is times that you not see it working. If it's not working, I'll show you how to troubleshoot, and I'll show you the procedure that you can use to troubleshoot it. This is the way you troubleshoot it. First, in case these ports are busy, these ports sometimes they can be used occupied, maybe they're being serviced by IIS, that is a Microsoft server or something. Maybe you might just need to change these ports. What you need to do is come here, config, and go for the first Apache one, and try to change your ports. That is 80 that we're using now, which means if it's busy, what we need to do is come here and try to edit, find next, try to search for port 80, find next, that is port 80. You need to change that one, but we don't have to worry about that one because it's commented out here, which means it's not in use. But you need to change this one to 81 and say find next, and then you need to change this one as well to 81. That is any port that you can put, any port number you can put in there. I'm not going to change because mine is not in use. That's why I will leave it like that. It's finished, no more. Then you close that. Then you go to another one. You can save after that if you have changed. Save, close that one. Then I come here as well. Then I go to the second one. That is the secure one now, SSL, which is HTTPS. That one was just HTTP and it's not secure. This one is the secured one. And this one is using port 443. You need to change this as well, and you need to check for 443. Find next. That's the way you troubleshoot it. On listen, you change it to 444 and find next as well. Then you again put 444, find next, 444 as well. The one that you, anything that you can put 4445 doesn't matter, as well as long as you try to change the port so that it can able to work. Find next, it's finish, which means you come here as well and then you save it. I'll close this one as well, and after that what you need to do is come to config here as well and come here services, and then you have to change here as well. Otherwise, if you don't change this, you have troubles. But you need to change these figures where this and this one using the same port number that you used. Then save as well. across. But for me, I don't think I need that. But in case there is times when you need to troubleshoot because maybe it's not working and stuff, that's how you can troubleshoot. That are the common problem that you have to come across. Let's try to check if it's working in our server. This is my, you only need to say localhost to check if it's working and hit on. You see it's working. If you see that, then everything's okay. What you can do is check for your database. Maybe if it's working, come here. There it is. Everything is okay. Can you see? Okay. Now the installation part of this example is finished. In the next class, guys, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress using this XAMPP on the local server. I'll do everything as easy as possible as I can also to show you how it is to install WordPress. But this is how you install your XAMPP. I'll also show you guys how to install WAMP because I've got WAMP here. As you can see, this is WAMP. This is the same Windows Apache server that is going to be used in the next class as well. Thank you for joining my class. Just wait for the next class that is going to be dealing with WordPress. Thank you.